Head of the Reserve and Retired Officers Public Union, Yashar Jafarli, believes that the attack on him on April the 2nd was politically motivated. "In my opinion, the assailant had been instructed by others," said Jafarli. He did not agree with the statement of the Prosecutor General's office that he was attacked after a conflict between him and the attacker. The police say they had detained the suspect and delivered him to the prosecutor's office, which was denied by the prosecutor's office, said Jafarli. Telman Abilov, head of the Committee to Protect the Rights of Jafarli, said that the attack is not being investigated properly. According to Abilov, the detainee had cold weapon. Apparently, the assailants either wanted to kill Jafarli or intimidate him so that he would give up his public activities, said Abilov. The military expert Uzair Jafarov believes that the attackers were not employees of the Defense Ministry. "Someone has ordered this crime. It must be disclosed," said Jafarov. The attack on Jafarli was committed on April the 2nd in front of his house. He called neighbors for help, and they managed to detain one of the attackers and took him to the 29th branch of Yasamal District Police Office. The matter was then referred to the District Prosecutor's Office. However, because the detainee was a military serviceman, the case was re-referred to the Military Prosecutor's Office.